Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to lock cells in Google Sheets formula step by step. Cell locking in Google Sheets means fixing a cell so it does not change when we copy the formula to other cells. We use the $sign to lock the cells. Example, click anywhere, then type to this formula equal B2 into C plus 1 C2 press enter to this normal formula. Simply again type to this formula, simply select C2, then press F4 on your keyboard, press enter and see this lock. Now we can see this lock cells. Hope this tutorial help you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.